Obu, oku, it's a fire. Odi, oku, it is hot. Obu, oku, it's a fire. Odi, oku, it is hot. Obu, unyi, it is dirt. Odi, unyi, it is dirty. Obu, unyi, it is dirt. Odi, unyi, it is dirty. A common mistake English speakers make when speaking Igbo language, learning to speak Igbo language, is the use of I am. Somebody will say, Adim onye America, and that would be wrong. It's important to understand that I am is not I am in Igbo. We do not have I am in Igbo. We have 4 expressions for what the English qualify as I am. In English, you may call them I am, but who knows what they are called in Japanese, what they are called in Spanish, what they are called in Hindu. So we're going to think in Igbo, and we're going to think that these are 4 different expressions, 2 of which you have as bo and de. Bo helps you express being something or someone. You can be a boy, you can be a fire, it can be a location, you can be a teacher, you can be a banker. So when you say I am a banker, a doctor, a mother, a this, a that, I am his brother, his sister, that you can express using bo. When you say they, it helps you express being somehow or a quality used with adjectives. Example, being manly. If you want to be a man, that would be bo. But if you're talking about being manly, you're talking about they. If you want to say it is a fire, you're going to use bo for your is. But if you want to say it is hot, you're going to use they for your is. And this shows you a perfect case scenario, because in this situation of fire and hot, the word for fire and the word for hot are the same thing. Oko, oko. Bo and they changes the meaning. Learn this and use it.